Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set the clock on a Subaru Legacy. Turn the ignition to ACC, press Home, then open Settings and choose Clock. Use the touchscreen or steering wheel controls to highlight hour and minute, adjust each value, confirm AM or PM if available, and press Save. If your model uses a rotary knob, rotate and press Enter to store the time, then verify on the dash display. Warm up your hands and follow along as we manually set the time using the infotainment or controls. Tap Clock, select Hour, then press the right arrow until the correct hour appears. Repeat for minute. If AM or PM is shown, toggle that as needed, then press Save or Enter to apply changes. Double-check the dash display to ensure the time matches your setting and you're good to go on the road. If you're finding this video helpful, please like and subscribe to support more car guides. Quick recommendation: I love The Simple Path to Wealth for practical thinking about money and smart car spending. It's a great read if you're budgeting for maintenance or upgrades. Check the description for the link and other deals to save on essentials. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. If your Subaru supports clock sync, pair a smartphone and enable auto time update in Bluetooth settings to keep time accurate. If the time doesn't save, try restarting the infotainment system or cycling the ignition off and on. For region-specific menu layouts or alternative procedures, consult the owner manual for step-by-step illustrations. These quick checks can prevent drift and keep your daily schedule aligned with minimal hassle while you drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.